Hi guys, welcome to my indie game development channel. In this video, I will share the progress of this week, and let's get started. Hello everyone, this is Lee. Welcome to my devlog number 32. For the people who are new to this channel, I'm working on a fantasy turn-based strategy game named Dungeon Slayer. I upload weekly devlog and share the progress. I will also share the thoughts, resources, and tips during the game development. If you are interested in seeing how the game is created and improved, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on the bell. In last video, I added some new enemies, Skeleton Archers and Skeleton Bomberman, and I also added some damage effect to the tower to make it look a bit more fun. Thanks for all the comments, feedback, and suggestions. I really appreciate it. It made me feel I'm not making this game alone. I would like to pick one of the comments from Zero Cheese. That's a very good idea to introduce multiple levels into the game. So in this week, I will give it a try. When people need to move between different floors, normally we use stairs or ladders. Okay, maybe not all the people. You may have seen this in many games. Once the character climbs up the ladder, we can explore more area. And I'm going to put this feature into the game. Please stick to the end of this video. I will show you how I implement this step by step. I think it would be more fun to see the character climb the ladder up and down. For turn-based strategy game, it's not just expand the map, it will also provide more strategy options to the player. For example, if the character stands on the high floor, which means the attack range will be increased as well. Then he can attack some enemy from longer distance. First, I need to make sure the character can move vertically. So far, most of the units fire on the same level. I have to update the script to cater for this change, as we certainly don't want this happens. After fixing the script, I can see the character can move correctly. Step 2. Then we need to add the ladder to the tower. Simply adjust the position and scale it and make it fit into the scene. Next, we can see the character move up to the tower, but the animation doesn't look right, as we want to see some climbing movements instead of running animation. In order to achieve this, I set up the glider for the ladder, and also add the ladder script. It is mainly to trigger the right animation. One tip here is to make it look smooth. We can combine some animation together. It did take me some time to try out different approaches and settings. Just need to be patient here, I guess. You can see the animation looks okay now. We can still do more polish later, but now it is good enough to move on. As mentioned before, the attack range should be increased as well, and you may know I use the circle on the ground to indicate the attack range in the game, which means I need to update the scale accordingly. We don't want the circle move with the character like this. And we also want to rescale the circle when the character climbs on the top. Thanks for the advice from Chin. By the way, if you have any suggestions and feedback for this game, make sure you join my Discord server. The link can be found in the description below. Now that's how it looks like. After that, To make the player discover this new mechanic, I just set up 2 skeleton archers, which cannot be attacked directly as they are too far away from the player. In order to reach them, the player needs to climb up the ladder, and we will see the attack range get increased. Now we can attack the enemy successfully. In Dungeon Slayer, the player don't need to defeat all the enemies. For example, if the player chooses to ignore these 2 actual enemies, then they don't really need to climb up the ladders, as I would like to encourage the player to make their own decision how to pass the level. I also use some other mechanics to make the game more fun instead of battling all the time. You can hit the link on the corner for more details. I really enjoy playing this game with these new climbable towers, and it can be extended easily to build out some multiple floors as well. Question of this week: do you think these climbable features make the game more fun? Make sure you leave the comment below. If you have any thoughts to make the game more interesting, please share your thoughts as well. Again, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos from my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell. Then you will see the notification when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time.